So why is everyone selling their XRP? What exactly is happening right now? And how do we react? How do we respond right now as XRP holders? That's what we're going to address in this video, guys. I appreciate you all for coming back. And I've got some good news, actually. I think, we need some good news despite the market pulling back. And I'll explain a little bit about that in this video because I don't think necessarily a lot of us, retail money, are really selling our XRP. Like when I talk to people, when I'm looking at some of the data, this is not coming from retail selling off. There might be a little bit of fear, selling, but more than that, it is big institutions. It's exchanges working alongside market makers right now to tank the prices. And I think it's a great reset before the next big boom in the crypto market. Remember, we had a massive run up back in 2024. XRP did a 6x, more than 6x, from 50 cents to over $3. And if you remember, it happened in like a 30 to 40 day period, which is insane. So, yes, I mean, we had a big run up, but now the exchanges with tariffs and the inflation fears with Trump coming in, I think the exchanges are basically using this time period to sell off the markets in the short term to basically reset prices, reset targets for when things can gear back up again. And they're basically saying, hey, we're going to run this thing back up at some point, but for now, let's drop the prices, right? XRP sitting here at 222. Binance, again, has been selling off a lot of their assets, a lot of their top assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and some others. But XRP did have a flash crash down here to 210, keep in mind, not that long ago, earlier this month, and the entire market had a big hit. So we're not necessarily in this position of like no return. We also had this drop kind of happen in December too. So as long as we stay, above $2 here, we're still in a relatively strong uptrend. But I think it's market manipulation right now, guys. And I'm not going to be shaken out by this simply because, we're witnessing sell-offs. Like I'm not going to like sit here and say, hey, I'm going to sell all my XRP now because this thing's going to zero. I just don't think that's where we are. I think it's a downturn within a bull cycle. I think it's market manipulation by Binance and Wintermute, some of these big players, and they're knocking out longs. And a lot of people have XRP longs out there. A lot of people have positions in XRP on leverage. They're knocking those people out. They're resetting the deck, reshuffling the deck, and we're going to have another leg up at some point here in 2025. Right now, a lot of uncertainty in the markets with Trump there, talking about tariffs yesterday. You've got inflation concerns heating back up, and the markets are just trying to understand what's happening now with Donald Trump at the helm. We have a lot of moving parts now in crypto with different committees, and it's going to take some time. Like we have to be patient with this, and we have to remember we had a massive run up, guys. XRP was sitting at 50 cents forever, and here we are. We have a lot of catalysts still in front of us, though. The end of the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is one of the big ones. And, I'm not going to be shaken out by this. I'm not going to leave. You take a look at the overall market across the board. This isn't something that is happening with just XRP, right? Like we've got assets like Radium down 22%, HBAR 15%, Tau, Aave. I mean, all these assets, double digits. Solana's getting crushed right now across the board. We've got sell-offs happening. Algorand to good assets too. SWE, Pepe, Chainlink. I mean, everywhere there's a discount. Cardano, Dogecoin, Ondo getting hit down below $1 now. Here's XRP and Litecoin with Ethereum down all 10%. So at the end of the day, this is part of the cycle. It is meant to create fear, I think. It's meant to shake weak hands out, and the strong will rise again. The strong holders, the people who have the ability to buy the dip and at least stay in the market, will reap the rewards again for hanging in there through tough times. So that's where I'm at with XRP, guys. I'm not, shaking in my boots, not going to run for the hills, but that's what's happening. We're being manipulated by the powers that be right now. And the only thing we can do is do what the big institutions do. They're shaking out retail to buy at cheaper prices. That's what we need to be doing too. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section, and I appreciate you all for watching the video. If you want to come over and check out XT Algo, my trading indicator, this will definitely help you navigate the markets. If you're serious about crypto trading and investing and you want to take your game to the next level, definitely give it a look. Check it out. It is a huge opportunity right now. And when this reversal happens, XT Algo will be your tool that will help you know exactly what to do when the time comes. Links down below to that. Make sure you use the discount code as well. Appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.